How to add pre-order button in Shopify. First of all, install the app. You can find the app link in the description below. Go back to the online store and then click on edit theme. Click on app embeds. Embed the app and then click on save. Go back to the app and then click on create campaign. Here we need to select pre-order. Click it here. Here we can set title for campaign. This is only visible for you. Here we can edit pre-order button text. Here we can edit pre-order message. As you can see here, the live preview. Here you can add the discount if you want to add any discount, let's say 5% or 10% or whatever you want. Here you can set up payment. If you want full payment, click it here. If you want partial payment, click it here. After that, continue to design. If you want custom design, click it here. Here you can change the color of badge. Here you can change the color of text. Here you can change the font. After that, click on pre-order products. Here you can select show pre-order button when product is out of stock, always, or when product in stock. If you want pre-order button for all products, click add all products. If you want for specific products, then click it here. If you want for specific collection, click it here. If you want for specific products, click it here and then click on continue. Here I am selecting for luxury watch. Then click on add. As you can see, the pre-order button now showing. So this is it for this video. If you need any assistance related to Shopify, you can send your query to my email or send me a message to my LinkedIn profile. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.